So, good afternoon everyone, and good afternoon ma'am. I am Natal Sapedra, student 2 from block 1. I am reporting of group 4. So, my first report is Model of the Filipinos Values. Indigenous model or the tradition model described as tradition and non-formal model or guide. The indigenous model is deeply integrate in the Filipinos subconscious. So for indigenous model is or the tradition model is mo siya yung mga indigenous na parani. For example is parani one would is he is a tattoo artist na ginagamit niya yung bamboo at yung maliit na yung gamay na langsang mo yun butayan niya egg gidukduk niya. So hantod sa yampas yung tradisyon sa una more gyapon gigamit niya karon ang pagka tattoo artist na sa tuwa magkaroon is tuwang tattoo mga pagtatato nato is lahi na kay ba more and technology siya, more machine siya paggamit. O iya is nagyapon karon ang gigamit niya pagtatato artist anto gyapon sa tradisyon nato as sa Pilipinos. So next is structures and elements of Filipinos values. The Philippine value system is known to possess significant skills component based on research, surveys, observations, anecdotes, and other literatures developed by scholars and researchers, and resolutions to Filipino social values or core values, together with the Filipino characters or identity of a person or individual known as the Filipinos. So, ang structural elements is muna sila yung mga tao na researchers or mga mag-research sa to mga about sa to Filipinos characters or about sa identity sa usa ka Filipinos or Filipino para makabalota sa tong kaugalingon o sa about atong values sa atong kaugalingon as a Filipino. So, there are three surface of values. Una is hiya or ownership dignity. Hiya or hiya means English shame. This is control the social behavior of Filipino. It is a values that makes a Filipino be obedient and respectful to parents and older sister. So ang hiya is mo na siya murag kaulaw kanang kaulaw sa usa ka tuwang kagalingon na butan to sa for example na as a Filipino ako na behavior nato na dili tayo kanang sapol nato sa pambalay sa balay sa katao is kabalutan mo limit sa tuwang kagalingon, kabalutan maulaw ba ana kabalutan respeto mo lugar sa atong lingon. So next is pakisama. Or competitionship esteem. A Filipino trait of stability or being good at getting along with others. So pakisama is mo na siya ikuan ba kanang pakihalubilo sa lain tao. Kanang makikuyo ka na bisa bag-o ka ila. For example, kang bag-o pa may kail kanang bag-o pa pagkaila sa ila ha murag namoy connection na kanang connection mo sa usa to sa na makikisama ba na ba. So next is utang na loob or gratitude. Solidarity is obligations to repay a person from whom one has received a favor. So kay utang na loob is kanang kabalo ka mo balik sa iyang yung favor niya mo receive. For example is ako sa Filipino persons sa ugalingon is na ako'y ibalos siya kanang kuan ba di ko balas na sa kanang kuan for good way na ibalos ako kasi pag kanang for example kanang gi hanggang sakit ko yung giatiman ko sa akong parents they wants din gi tinulian ko din ang parents po na sakit is atiman ano sila that is sample sa utang na loob. Next is the meaning of kapwa. Kapwa means togetherness is the core construct of Filipino physiological. Kapwa refers to community not doing things alone. Kapwa has categories categories ibang tao, another people, and hindi ibang tao, not another people. So, there are two categories of kapwa. First is ibang tao, or in English is another people, or outsiders. Sa ibang tao is nasa ini makabaw five domains. First is pakikitungo or civility. Kadua is pakikisalamuha or act of mixing. Katulo is third is pakikihalahok or act of act of joining. Fourth is pakikibagay or conformity. Or is the last one is pakikisama or being a unit with the group. So is the second category of kapwa is hindi ibang tao or not another people or one of us. There are three domains. First is balagayan loob or act of mutual trust. The second is pakikisangkot or act of enjoyment others. Or the third one is pakikipagkaisa or being one with others. So next so the next topic is another next topic is all about another abilities elements of motivation of Filipino values. Optimism about the future, hopefulness and confident about the future. So mo ni mga Filipinos na sila positive thinking about lang future ba kanang hindi sila negative yan na ay kani maabot ako ni ana ba na possible ba na ako ma-success ana ba success kay maabot nilang gusto. So next is pessimism about current circumstances and activities. There are likely to have a little hope for the future. So mo ni mga tao na murag negative thinking ba sa ilang future. Mo ni sila mga Filipino na negative thinking pero nang kuan na ay dili siguro mo po siguro din ako ni bahala na. Ano ba mga istorya nila? So next is concern for another individual. So for example, concern as a Filipinos, balis na ko ana ay concern ko sa friend sa example gabi, example naglaag gabi. Yun muli na siya. Yun balaka ko sa iya, concern ko sa iya, unsa to nakaulin ka to. Ana ba na ko'y concern sa iya. So next is the princess of friendship and friendship lens. So mo ni as a Filipino friendly be kita kanang hilig ta pag bisan dito to kaila or dito to close magi-close ta aron kay friendly be ta may Filipino bisan ka tourist na magrasa bisita sa to kay mo ni sagaran sa tourist sa Filipino man jud more and friendly kay sila ba kanang bisan dila kaila or dila close is gusto na makigbarkada. So next is the habits of being hospitable kanang the habits of being hospitable kanang stable ba kanang stable kay habit na stable is next is spiritual nature is man si spiritual to ano kanang natin believe sa tugilingon natin believe sa both gods ano ba natin believe sa tong cultures kay cultures. Next is respect for oneself and others. Siyempre hindi mawala sa respect po na sa tuwang as a Filipino kay natin respect po itong kagalingon. Respeto po nato ang uban sa pool na karon is natay kanya-kanya genders male or female or transgenders is respeto nato sila. So next is respect for the female members of society. Siyempre ganipod. As a Filipino, is kailangan to respeto na to members, mga babae sa to society. Next is fear of God. Siyempre, natay ka, as a Filipino, natay ka do sa Ginoo. So, next one is